Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do a Xplane mobile and we're doing the landing, a flight school landing. Location Washington, difficulty 1. Let's go ahead and fly this thing. Press A if you're using a remote control or if you don't have touchscreen. Alright. We're in the final approach of Sierra Tacoma International, preparing to land our Cessna 172 here. As we approach, you want to keep the plane nose pointed down just a bit and go ahead and try that. Okay, looks good. That's what he said. And lower our throttle about 30%. And go ahead and plop a notch for pressing on. From here on out, we just need to keep the plane flying up to the runway as we slowly descend. Our altitude is a bit higher. Pull back the throttle to increase the descent. We're in 12,000 feet. Lower another notch of flap just how I did before. This will slow down more and allow us to fly slower without falling in the sky. Okay, right now we're in the 900 feet, running at 70 knots. Take time. Lower the nose to speed the tail. Our altitude a bit lower, it should be at some throttle. Alright, today it's kind of windy a little bit. Alright. Okay, we're getting closer and it's kind of wobbly. I don't know what's going on. Go ahead and pull the another flap. And we're too high. Reduce the throttle. 700 feet. We're too high. Reduce the power. Center the plane.
Thank you very much. Options 9529 Gulfstream traffic 2 mile final, runway 1, no delay, left takeoff. Plan clear right 10805, clutch right turbine.
Looks good now. Right before we reach the plane, on the ground, gently raise the nose a bit. Just like that, and press the brake. Alright, way to go. Let's see how we did it, how we go. 93% guys for landing performance. Let's go try check the replay. Wow. Let's go check it out again. Lowering the flaps. Right. Touchdown. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.